How to redeem KFC promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser you want, and now in the search box, search for KFC promo code and press enter. Then from all the search results, you're going to find different websites that is going to offer you the KFC promo code. You can basically open any one of that. You just have to make sure that the website is a reliable one. Once you open the website, you're going to find different deals. Now here you can simply choose the one which is best for you. Once you have found it, you can click on the Get Deal option. Now there might not always be a coupon code or a promo code that you can copy. However, when you click on the Get Deal option, that is directly going to take you to the KFC website. You can also choose any other websites to get your promo code from. Simply click on the Get Deal option and it's going to take you to the KFC website. Then from here, you want to click on the Add to Bag option. After you have added the item to your bag, you want to click on the bag icon here. And then from here, you can check out. So here, as you can see, the promo code has already been automatically added. So you do not have to copy and paste the promo code. It is already added over here. And now you can check out your subtotal and also your discount amount. Here you can find the amount after discount as well. After confirming your order, you can click on the checkout option. Once you click on it, you will have to now add a payment method if you have not already done that. You can use your credit or debit card. To enter that, you will have to enter all of your card details such as your name, credit card number, expiration date, CVV number. After the payment method has been added, you can place the order, and this is how you can redeem KFC promo code. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.